How to fix WhatsApp QR code easily and fast. So if you have any problem with the QR code in your WhatsApp, this video or this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Now wait a few seconds. After that, you have to scroll like this until you find WhatsApp. Click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the storage. And now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start computing the storage. This is the internal storage. Click on clear cache, go back, click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, and that's it. Very easy and fast. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe.